TAI Anka. The TAI Anka is a family of unmanned aerial vehicles developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, primarily for the Turkish Air Force. Envisioned in the early 2000s for aerial surveillance and reconnaissance missions, Anka has evolved into a modular platform with synthetic aperture radar, precise weapons and satellite communication. Design TAI Anka. The TUAV system consists of 3 air vehicles AV, a ground control station GCS, a ground data terminal GDT, an automatic takeoff and landing system ATOLS, a transportable image exploitation system TAIS, a remote video terminal RVT, and various ground support equipment. Development TAI Anka. The contract regarding the development of an indigenous medium-altitude long-endurance male unmanned aerial vehicle UAV system for the reconnaissance requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces became effective on 24 December 2004. Within the framework of the program, a total of 3 prototypes and ground systems will be designed, developed, manufactured, and tested by mid-2011 as part of the prototype development phase. Subsequently, in 2012, the serial production phase of Anka A would be launched, an additional 10 systems, meaning 30 air vehicles, built for the Turkish Air Force.